is not a common practice. Instantly lifted these hands while oh my god, keep saying this. I wanted to. It shouldn't crease. Dupe bag of Balenciaga. I have my prized possession. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and hope you guys are doing fantastic. So welcome to the 7th episode of my most loved series on my channel called as #RuView. So if you're new to this channel, let me quickly give you guys a gist of what this series exactly is. So basically in this series, I shop from a specific brand and then depending on my shopping experience, I give you guys an in-detail review of that brand. So right from the delivery process to their packaging to their return, exchange, refund policy, I cover everything in this series. So today I'm going to review one of the most trending online brands in fashion right now, which is Savannah. I have a lot to say about this brand and I'm so excited to share with you guys what all I have got from this brand, because oh my god, you need to wait to see all the products. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited, and without any further ado, let's just jump into today's video. So guys, let's start by talking about the brand Savannah. So Savannah is an online contemporary fashion brand which celebrates individuality and diversity through their designs. I love how fresh and unique their pieces are. I mean, if you're looking forward to explore your style, you should definitely check out this website because they have pieces which are not easily available offline, and plus for the price range that they are offering, it's way better than the fast fashion brands in the market. And the quality, I'll talk more about that in the product details sequence. But yeah, to conclude about the brand, I feel it's a brand that everyone should check out if you want to get into fashion, elevate your existing personal style, and do a lot more when it comes to styling yourself. So yeah, that was about the brand Savannah. So guys, talking about the delivery process, so I placed my order on the 12th of September. My order came divided into two parts. The first order was delivered on 14th of September because that order had item which came under fast delivery, and the rest of the items were delivered on 24th of September, that is 12 days after placing my order. So this was a bummer for me because 12 days timeline is a lot. This area they should definitely take care of. If not 2-3 days, they should definitely try and deliver products within a week's time is what I feel. But they kept me posted about the shipping details and everything. This I'm mentioning because we have seen in my past review episodes that this is not a common practice with a lot of brands. So yeah, that was about the delivering part, and now let's quickly move on to the packaging part. Now guys, talking about the packaging, you know how much I love unboxing my orders because I feel it's wrapped with love, and you know, like wo jo attention to the detailing hai, I just enjoy it. So now talking about Savannah's packaging. So my package came wrapped in Savannah's branding. Packaging, once I opened it, I could see all the items were wrapped in a Ziploc bag. Rings were wrapped in a paper packaging and came in an airtight packet. Their overall packaging can be recycled. I mean, that's so cool. And of course, sustainability is a way to go. So that definitely gets a big thumbs up from my side. And plus, guys, I have to mention that these airtight bags are so useful when you're traveling or in general if you're an organizing freak like me. The branding, the materials that they use to make their packaging, the use of the packaging. Overall, I really love the packaging, but there's something I will show you as we proceed to the product details part. This was a segue to the most awaited segment in my review episodes, which is the product details. So I got 5 products from Savannah, and of course, starting by the product that I am wearing right now. Oh my god, where to start talking about this top, you guys? This is so beautiful. You can see in the try-on clip how beautiful it looks on me. I love the detailing this top has. You know, I am a big fan of detailing. Just look at the elaborate collar, the tie detailing. Ye to, you know, this detailing is trending, and plus these hands while detailing, you can definitely tie this as I have shown you on the try on haul. Also you can tie the sleeves also, but I like keeping it like this because I love the drama that's happening when I talk and all that. So yeah, overall the quality of this top is also so good, you guys. And plus I'm a pear-shaped body. I'm always looking for items which will draw eyes to my upper body, and I feel this is the perfect one. And I wore this instantly lifted my mood. So yeah, you can see me styling this a lot on my Instagram. Go and follow me over there if you aren't already. I only got one clothing item from Savannah because I wanted to see their quality, and the clothing quality definitely gets a thumbs up from my side. Now moving on to the accessories part. Out of 5 items which I have, 4 are accessories. So starting by the rings that I'm wearing, this is how it looks. I only got this because these are adjustable, you know, so I can wear them in any finger that I want. One pro tip over here is always invest in adjustable rings. I'll keep you posted if they change their color. Moving on to the bags that I got from Savannah. I got 3 bags and oh my god. So the first bag which I got is this one. I wanted to add a silver bag in my collection for the longest period of time because again it's a statement piece to have in your collection. You can style it on western looks, you can style it on Indian looks. As I mentioned in the packaging detailing, there is one thing that I wanted to tell you. I kept a bottle inside this just to bring it to its original shape, but it still has a long way to go. Just a crease hai. I hope this goes in some time. It shouldn't crease. I mean, that's the thing. It shouldn't crease. I feel इसका quality और अच्छा हो सकता था. Moving to the second bag which I got. This is a dupe bag of Balenciaga. I wanted to buy this in black color, but it was sold out. So I got this one. Guys, what is this? What is this? I am a fan of this bag. I love street styling and I just feel this bag is going to add so much to my street looks. This is such a statement piece, you guys. It comes with adjustable detachable straps and it comes with a small pouch as well. So let me quickly open it and show it to you. This is how it looks like from the inside. It has one small compartment and one big compartment and इसका quality I really like, you guys. I mean, इस पे कोई भी creases नहीं है. It came nicely wrapped as you saw. I think this is going to be my bag which I carry on my set and everyone asks me कि ये कहाँ से लिया तूने. So yeah, that was about the second bag. Moving to the showstopper bag and the bag which I added to my cart instantly when I saw this. I know I keep saying this, I wanted to get this, I wanted to get this, but guys, I'm in middle of building my wardrobe and I wanted to get a red statement bag because I feel red is, I mean, of course, red is a statement color in itself, but a red bag, it just brings so much drama to your outfit. So, oh my god, what is this bag? It deserves that drama, you guys. It deserves that introduction. It's a fall leather finishing red bag. I think this is going to be my favorite piece in my bag collection for the longest period of time. And I mean, it takes a lot for me to say this because I have a lot of bags, but yeah, this is going to be my prized possession. This comes with a drawstring. You can just keep pulling it to get this gathering wala detailing, or else you can just stretch it if you want to increase the height of the sling. It comes with side pockets as you can see, and then in the front, oh my god, if you feel it now, I mean, I just wish you could just feel the quality of this bag through the camera. I'm just flipping, guys. How can this be under 3,000? I can't. It comes with a pocket in the front. This is how it looks like. And then a small pouch with a zip. Let me show you the main compartment. Also has one more pocket inside that comes with a chain. I mean, I can just keep talking about this bag. That's why this bag is the showstopper of this episode. I will of course be leaving all the details to all the products in the description box below, and if you want to shop from Savannah, I have a discount coupon code for you which is flashing on the screen, which is Rutuja36. If you want to get discount on all these items, you can go and use my coupon code. Moving to the last segment of this series, which is their return, exchange and refund policy. So Savannah has a 10 days refund, exchange, return policy. You can place your refund within 10 days of receiving the items. Of course, it goes without saying the item should be in good conditions. All the items, as you can see, they have this tag on them, which is very important to keep. It is mentioned also over here that please keep this tag intact to return. So make sure with the price tag that return tag is also intact on the products. There are also some items on their website which don't fall under the category of returning. So make sure while placing the order, you're just seeing which item comes under the non-returnable category and shop accordingly if you're not sure about any items. So yeah, that was about the return, exchange and refund policy. So now to conclude and rate the brand, I feel I wanted to give this brand a 5 on 5 for their designs and for the variety they have on their website, but I have to give an overall rating. So my overall rating for the brand is 4 out of 5 only because it took 12 days for me to receive the products, and only because this bag got little creased in the shipping process. You will definitely see me shopping a lot from Savana, and yeah, if you do shop from Savana, definitely use my coupon code. If there is any specific category, if you want me to make a specific haul about from Savana, you let me know. I would love to do that for you guys and review the products as well. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. Let me know which was your favorite item. Mine definitely was the red bag and the top that I'm wearing right now. I can't wait to style them. I can't wait to post pictures in them. You will see all the styling happening on my Instagram, so you know where to follow me. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you guys, and also let me know which brand you would like me to hashtag review in my next episode of review. And yeah, that's that. You know the drill. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. That being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.